Hi everyone, welcome to my DevOps series. In this video series, I'm going to share my insights into one of the open source projects that is Jenkins AI, where I'm just gonna give us some little bit introduction for that. So here in this, you can see this page in front of you, which I grabbed from, CDF landscapes page where I can see their charts how this is built upon, stick behind this other stuff. So you definitely can check out this. So I'm not gonna talk much about this now. I will skip this part and go to this documentation site. As you can see here. So what's all about this Jenkins? It's like uh, talking about an automation of all sorts of tasks related to building, testing, and delivering or deploying software. So yeah, you'll just come to know about this in a little bit. But yes, before that, there's a little bit introduction, like how it can be installed, like using some system packages like Helm chart or my Docker, and maybe run straight on by any machine, like any machine I can say Linux machine, and yes, with having GRE stored. So let me go to another contents. I'm just showing this contents in front of you, so like you can understand better and walk through like me. So you won't like miss any part or any concepts which you need in your learning. So yes, in this installation guide, you can go to any of these installation way and do your installation. Like in Docker, you can see these are the prerequisites before using Docker. Maybe it is your Mac OS Linux machine. It's very optional for you. You can do with Windows as well. And with having Kubernetes, it's a great way to do this. But yeah, I'm not going to deep dive into this because this implementation part for another video. So yes, I'm skipping this for now. We have other ways to do this, but yeah. Yes. So there is two ways to configure your pipeline project through Jenkins file or through Blue Ocean. But now for this video, I'm going through this Jenkins file. So yes, let's go ahead. Yes, here you go. It is like CD continuous delivery pipeline. It's an automated expression of your process for getting software from version control right through to your users and customers. Like if you have Git repository where you have projects, you know, um, stored, and we want to make changes and uh, keep track of your version. So this is the way to do your automation, like from continuous delivery pipeline, make your process automation. So you will like keep track of your versions, like how it changed from one software version to another one. So yes, that's all a little bit talking about this here now. Jenkins file, how it's done. Yes, as I already told, creating branches and pull requests. So here we go. Declarative and scripted pipeline syntax. So declarative way, like I will just come jump to that part, but it is for now. You can watch this video as well. Pipeline concepts. Here, the small way to understand what's like stage there, step inside this declarative pipeline fundamentals. So yes, here we go. Inside pipeline, we have agent and which allows you to write the stages under this agent. And but yes, one, two, three. These are all things that you can see. This execute this pipeline and every stages. And then number two, this is the build stage, where you can put the number of steps which we want to execute, and then another test stage, then deploy stage. We'll give another example. This is a scripted pipeline fundamentals, like just you can optimize in whatever you have project. So this is node kind of project, under which we have built test deploy, like you can see the pipeline, like the way we have mentioned the agent in this previous declarative way. This is the pipeline example now, declarative pipeline. um, this is like any, so we don't require any understanding about this one. uh, but yes, this is kind of sh into make file. Let's say we have make file in your project, then it will a shell command to make run make command. Then we have make check command. With that we have another file which can be executed with this command. Then this deploy, you can see steps. One of the steps is only make publish. For more details you can go ahead and check this out. This introduction and documentation is really required for our day-to-day job. So for this video, this is all about Jenkins CI/CD. So yeah, I hope you something you have understood. And in the next video, stay tuned. Just stay tuned with us. Generally, we'll work through some examples code, and we will uh, run this implementation. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.